You can't beat the 7-time champions, Nigeria, and not bring the trophy back home. We are at the right track to suffer. Raymond Mdaga, the coach, the players, and the supporters involved. We are saying, big up to these guys. They've done us proud, they've done us very well. But the question remains, are we going to keep this bunch of winners together and make sure that we know what to promote them to Bafana Bafana in the coming 5 to 10 years? That's the question, the question that should be answered by SAFA as well. But I can tell you, proud moment South Africans, we are very happy. We are together here. It's all about happiness. But let me say this to you. The president is not here. He's in the White House. I'm saying to the acting president, Kweta Mantashe, I'll say, Pagama, Kweta Mantashe, Pagama, we need a public holiday. When the president comes back home, he must find us celebrating amongst ourselves. But it's a proud moment for South Africans, I can tell you. They've done us proud, they've done wonderful. And to the coach as well, thanks very much. Remember, we left other players here, players like Abu Mbogazi, players like Abu Campbell. They didn't give these players a chance, making sure that they'll bring the trophy back home. And we are proud of them so far.
We speak about the work that is being done in the DDC, giving these youngsters the platform to showcase their work over the 10-year period now. And these are the fruits of that DDC setup.
Absolutely. Let me just say, I quote, Isaiah 60 verse 22. God says, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Close quote, my brother. It's been a long season, it's been a long years for us to make sure that we know what we bring these guys together and make sure that we do well. I mean, South Africans, we are a winning nation. And as we've mentioned DDC, you know what, they've done very well. The coach is there, down there. You know, we must give credit to where it's due. We must give credit to them to say, guys, you've done fantastic. You've done very well. And thanks very much. Remember, under 17, they've qualified for a FIFA World Cup. And even the under 20, they've qualified, they've taken the trophy now for AFCON. They also qualified for FIFA under 20 World Cup. Now it's time for Bafana Bafana. You know what? We are going to Morocco not to add numbers. We are just warning all those African countries. We are saying, Hugo Blues and the soldiers will bring the trophy back home for South Africans. Proud moment for South Africans, guys.